Where the man basically I say, Bannick charge him 45,000 for the marriage. But me not lie, when you look on the video, you can see so them they're very far from in love. That video there, if you can that video, they go to immigration I go turn them back. But it that east and the man that west are dance. Bannick, for a young girl, I saw your reputation stay. Come here, Donna. Come, who remember when Donna did got Bannick and I say I saw ambition for look. But I don't remember them days there. Donna got Bannick and them that sell, so I think I saw browning. And like Bannick, that say $5 for browning. And Donna said, no man, the plunk of them I'll give you $10 and $20 for it. And then I rise it up. And then I dance in there and say, this you call ambition. Then I do my ambition. No, sir. Please stay with my little crack with teeth. What we have. Who remember that? Somebody say, them remember. Who remember when Donna went to Bannick's store? And them that sell the browning something. And like she said, $5 feet, and then I raise it up and say, no man, the plunk of them I'll pay $20 for one. I'm okay. Just reach. Scammer. A back scammer. I can't believe someone no remember that show there. Nobody no remember that show there. I bet me have to go back and look for that video then. Cause me not like say something where nobody, not even one somebody can say they remember the show, you know. Donna did in a Bannick and them that sell like browning. But like for $5 and Donna say $20 the plank of them will pay $20 for. And then Donna dance and say, so you know Donna love to her shade and go on, you know. She has shade out the foreign people them and she say, I saw ambition for look. And she a dance and no one go out with herself. And he has, you know what? I don't remember that. Who wants some memories of 99? Yeah. Alright, later. Cause through me I drive, I can't do memories on a drive. Can let me tell you something. The internet, no, wait name. That's so serious. My life more serious. And when you play memories, you have to sit down for see what you do. You understand? Me I drive you now, so I can't wait them there. As a matter of fact, I reach where I go.